And one of the topics that comes up a lot, it came up in our last recording, is this idea of a tabletop exercise. And we talk a lot about that a lot. And I know that back when at my previous employer, when we started showing people what an actual tabletop exercise looks like, they got really excited because I don't think that a lot of people do this. I mean, when your company's brought in, I'm assuming that these. Well, let me ask you this: what percentage of the time are you brought in because there's already been a cybersecurity event?
It's more often than people call us to do a tabletop.
Say that again.
We respond to incidents for clients
Right.
on their worst day more
Right.
often than helping them prepare through tabletop exercises for their worst
Okay.
day.